Hey everybody, it's me and welcome to our first Five Friday of 2021. And the book that I want to share with you, we just got into the library, and it's called Don't Turn Out the Lights. And it is presented by the Horror Writers Association, and it has 35 different chilling stories from authors like John Dixon, Barry Lyga, Joanna Perpinski, R.L. Stine, who did the Goosebumps, and lots of other really great authors. Okay, so inside it says a life-size baby doll who stalks its prey, a flesh-hungry ogre who jingle jangles when he walks, a haunted house just dying for a visitor. What do all these stories have in common? Well, they're scarier in the dark. In collaboration with the Horror Writers Association, New York Times bestselling author and master of horror Jonathan Maberry has compiled a gruesome collection of terrifying stories in tribute to Alvin Schwartz's classic Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark series. They will absolutely chill readers to the bone. So turn off your lamps, click on your flashlights, and prepare, if you dare, to be absolutely spooked. So let me show you. So here's our table of contents. Okay, and I am going to choose Jingle Jangle, page 85. Everyone in town knows about the Jingle Jangle Man. They say he lives behind the thorns at the edge of the deep, dark wood. They say he grants wishes to those brave enough to call him. They say he'll cut off your skin and wear it like a jacket. But they say a lot of things. They can't all be true. It started the day my stepdaddy, Marlin, took his dog out for a drive and came back with blood on his shirt. I begged Mama to do something, to help me, but she said, "Shush up now, don't let Marlin hear you." And that's when I ran. I ran all the way to Granny's house. "Please, why won't you tell me the words?" I squeezed her wrinkly hand, my one big ache. I wanted my dog. I wanted Marlin to go away and never come back. I wanted a miracle. Granny considered rolling a cigar between her teeth. "It's a full story, boy, nothing more. Go on to bed." "But I know he grants wishes. Everyone says he does." "Wishes don't come free. There's a price to pay. A terrible price." Granny narrowed one eye, blowing a ring of smoke. "What else do you know?" "I know that if I go up near the thorn bushes and say the magic words, he'll appear. And then he'll grant my wishes, and it'll be like Marlin never existed. Then I'll find my dog, and Mama and I can be happy again." I paused out of breath. "You hate Marlin too, Granny. I know you do." "Hate is a nasty word, and nasty words bring trouble," Granny said. "You forget all about that devil story. Promise you will." "Okay, Granny, I promise." I didn't want to lie, but I had no choice. So that evening, when Granny fell asleep with a pile of cigar stubs in her lap, I slipped into her room. I knew about the box of old notebooks and diaries, and I knew Granny. She wrote everything down, especially secret things. Sure enough, in a dusty diary with a cracked leather cover, I found the words I needed. After that, it was easy to sneak out and trek across town all the way to the edge of the deep, dark wood. I'd been sitting here for a while now, overlooking a wall of thorns. Fog rolls past in lazy spirals, like huge faceless ghosts. My lungs seize as a shadow moves behind the thorns, all thin and hunched and made of bones. It's him. I know it is. The answer to all my problems. Screwing up my courage, I take a deep breath and recite the words Granny wrote. Jingle jangle, skin and bone, meat and worms, and rotten stone. It sounds silly out loud, like a children's rhyme, but I keep going. Jingle jangle, ribbon claw, open wide your filthy maw. A warm breeze blows aside the fog, and for a moment a band of dusky sunlight touches my face. It settles on my cheeks and soothes the ache in my fingertips. I start to laugh, my sudden fear draining away, because how could any of this be real? And then I hear it. Clink, clank, clink, like wet bones rattling in the bottom of a well. it comes closer. Clink, clank, clink. And that's it for right now. So if you want to put this book on hold, don't turn out the lights. You can put it on hold through our Destiny Discover website, and I will hold on to it for you until when school starts again, and I'll bring it to you. Okay, if you're a distance learner and you still want to put this on hold, like if you're an Edgenuity student, put it on hold and we'll figure out a way for you to get it. Okay? All right.